Very simple, right? Well, if you know me, of course I got it wrong. This is day 8 of coding a pomodoro timer app with my own twist. Yesterday, I worked on adding the calming nature videos for the chill mode reward. I said I would be working on adding sounds for when the timer ends, so let's get to that. So I started off by trying to learn how to add audio files in a Svelte project. I searched on YouTube for a tutorial, but I didn't really watch the whole thing because it was quite simple. All I had to do was create a JavaScript module where I export my audio files as an object with the URLs, then create an audio object that is already built into HTML. After that, all I would have to do is call the play function according to the documentation. Very simple, right? Well, if you know me, of course I got it wrong. It was not playing the sound at first. Then I found out that the error was that I placed my audio files inside my SRC, which is a no-no, and now I know that. What you have to do is place it inside the public folder, so when I dragged it into that, it finally worked. The sound for when the work timer ends is a school bell sound, but now I needed the sound for when the break timer finishes. I searched on Google for those traumatic alarm sounds, so that when you hear it, you know it's time to stop brain rotting and start working again. So it took a bit of time, but I added it, and now there is sound for when both timers end. Next on the agenda was making the UI look nicer again, and all I did was move the modal div inside the hero div so that it will just stretch and keep the same background for everything. But after I did it, it was messed up. That's because I initially placed a max height for the hero div, so when I removed it, everything was just fine. The last thing I did was ask ChatGPT for some ideas for the third and final type of reward, and I also asked it to generate me a logo, so follow if you want to see these. That's it for today. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and follow for part 9.